Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add Twitter link on your social network settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First, click here, now click settings, now click account information, and here as you see you will find it, you'll find Twitter link. Just add your Twitter link here and click save, and that's it will be saved. And that's how to add your Twitter link on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.